how to lock your profile picture on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will find out whether we can lock our profile picture on Instagram or not. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and tap on account privacy. But here in this section, you will only find the private account option. So here, Instagram does not provide an option to lock your profile picture or prevent others from viewing it. So here, if your goal is to make your account more private, then you can just toggle on this private account option, and this way only approved followers can see your post, stories, and other content. However, your profile picture will still remain visible to anyone who visit your profile. And that's it. I hope this clear things up for you. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.